thick. Yeah.
Liking.
Yes, absolutely. There's a lot of people out here. What is good, gang? It's another day on my vlog, my weekly vlog. I'm actually up. Woke up a little past noon. Well, almost at noon. Yesterday I could not sleep, so I tried to sleep early, could not sleep. And I think it's because, like I said, this apartment doesn't have like AC. So I literally have to like pry the windows open even at night. And it'd be kind of annoying because you could hear everything. Everything echoes here. I need to confirm, do y'all have a fan? Because I need me a fan. Y'all know me, I like to sleep with a fan. So that's probably why I haven't been sleeping really good. Besides the fact that I don't have my cuddle buddy. But other than that, I need me a fan. Okay? What's good, y'all? So, I've been back from the store. Like I told you, I was trying to find like a fan, a portable fan to put in the room. But unfortunately, they didn't sell them at the spot that I went. And I feel like if they didn't sell them there, they probably don't sell them anywhere. They only had like heaters and stuff. So I guess if I stumble across a store, I guess that look like they might sell it, then I'll probably like, look around or ask, but they didn't have them at all. But I did go for my morning coffee, and I popped my wig back on, so that's actually what I've been doing. Is I popped my wig on, and I just put it in like a sleek ponytail. And I was hungry, so I'm cooking some ramen. Yeah. This water is actually so fucking good. It's like 2 liters, and I got 2 of these. It tastes so good. This is probably the best water that I've tasted ever. I'm actually about to just sit down, eat the ramen, and finish this show that me and Lex have been watching. I'm probably gonna cook a little later. I don't know what I'm gonna cook, but am I working out tomorrow? That's probably not on the agenda, only because I just popped my wig on and I don't want to sweat my wig out. Look how much ramen just one bowl, like one pack made. I don't know if I should be concerned or... So I'm watching this show. It's actually really interesting. It started off super fire. Pop my legs up. Ooh. I do need to go to the store still. I'm trying to decide whether I want to go tonight or tomorrow. And tomorrow I do want to go probably get some breakfast. I was going to make it, but I was like, probably just go get it. Probably go back to that VIP restaurant and get some French toast. So we'll see. So I'm about to try this. Took the wrapper off of it already. So don't think about it like that. It's strawberry. That's really good. I knew it was gonna be good. I knew it. The ice cream is just different out here. Tarta de queso. Strawberry cheesecake. It's good. Well, I finished doing a couple of TikToks. If you guys aren't following me, it should be in the bio. But I'm trying to get a little bit more active with my TikToks because it's like, why not? But while I'm out here, I wanted to do a little bit more like fashion videos or like fashion inspos and things like that. So that's why I'm dressed like this. I just did like a transition video with like all black but different like styles. I want to do a try on haul for the fashion, well, the Zara outfits that I got. I'm going to put together some outfits and then do like a short clip and do videos of that too. I wanted to do it today, but the sun is going down and I need that sunlight. So I'll probably just do it tomorrow. We'll see. And I think they cut on the heater. Like, that's the thing. Like, we don't have our own like AC control. But the heat turns on whenever the fuck it wants, okay? Whenever it fucking wants. And it's hot, okay? I'm about to take this off because it's hot. And my edge is about to sweat out. Y'all, fucking around doing a sip and talk. I had me some Jack and some pineapple. And now bitch kind of tipsy. So I made me a late night snack. Healthy. But a snack, for sure. I made me a chicken salad. Chicken salad. Like, I make the best chicken salads, y'all. The best. And we not doing iceberg lettuce no more. We doing romaine. Okay? We doing romaine, arugula, spinach, and whatever that purple stuff is. But we not doing iceberg no more unless we make a tacos. Okay? Unless we make it tacos. But this, I had drink pineapple with this. But my second cup, I put pineapple and then some mix, like a fruit punch with like pomegranate or whatever. Don't ask me. This is the only thing left in the fridge. I'm going to go get more juice tomorrow. But yeah. This is me. And I'm kind of lit. So, but I'm literally about to eat this, see how I feel, and take my ass to bed. Because tomorrow I want to wake up kind of early. Because I got a couple things to do tomorrow. And then I'm also walking, and walking is probably going to take the whole day. But with my sip and talk, y'all go ahead and check that out because it's probably already uploaded. So y'all go check that out. I answered 25 questions about me and gave y'all some tea. Okay? Gave y'all some tea. But I'm about to fuck up the salad real quick. My chicken salad. I feel good, y'all. I feel good. Good morning, Liddy gang. So it is Wednesday, and I'm actually about to step out. Okay, I'm about to go grocery shopping. I was thinking about going grocery shopping, then coming back, but I think I'm just gonna walk towards this way and just try to get everything done. My lace frontal has been tripping. I really want to take it off and reapply it, but I'm not gonna have time to do that. So I'm about to get ready to go. Got my AirPods. I got my bag. this is the grocery bag. I really want to wear boots because I'm about to step out, move around, move around, move around. I really could go without it, but my lace, you know, like when your lace is like a little like, because I really don't want to wear the hat. I know I'm gonna get hot. You know, like when the lace starts like to have buildup on it. I don't know. Or I could probably just wear my hoodie. I could. And just zip it up. I don't need that much. Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. It's just, but yeah, I'm about to go do this. And I'm probably gonna take this lace off and then reapply it because it's pissing me off. It really is. But I don't think I want a coffee today. I was gonna pass by the coffee shop, but I'm just gonna go right to my destination, wherever that is. It smells like straight garbage today. No, seriously, it smells like garbage. Blech. I don't know what it is. Like every single time I go overseas, I wake up like with my nose stuffy, like boogers in my nose, or like my nose stuffy, a lot of mucus. That's why like making the detoxes and stuff like that are super important, because ooh, the sun is hitting. Because yeah, you can get congested so quickly. And I'm trying to avoid that. One thing about these Spanish men from Spain, they gonna hold their wife's hand. I love that. And they be so old and so cute, and they just be holding hands. I don't know where the fuck I'm going, but I'm going somewhere. So I also got these alitas chicken wings. They're chili. Let's try it. I'm currently at the store just getting some more groceries for tonight. This is super cool because you get to actually do it on your own. And it prints out the little sticker for you. I've been literally running with my head cut off, but make the fried chicken, make the sauce, potatoes, rice. I'm actually gonna take it off so I can make the broccoli. The rice looks really good. What is good, Liddy gang, and welcome to another day in this weekly vlog. I've been up, I cleaned up a little bit, made breakfast for my girlfriend. Don't really have an appetite today. As y'all seen yesterday, I was trying to plan to surprise her, and I did. So the night ended up turning out very good. So sometimes after a night of drinking, either you're gonna wake up with energy or you're not gonna wake up. So today is one of those moments where I actually woke up with energy. So today we were talking about actually going to a mall here in Spain and you know what I'm saying? I guess exploring or whatever. I really want to eat some steak. Okay, today. Can I eat some steak today? I really want some steak today. But I'm doing my hair per usual. I really need to find a bald cap, okay? Because this lace frontal is not doing the justice it needs to do. Like this hair actually sheds a whole lot, and I don't know if it's because I boiled it like a couple of times. Like I told y'all, it shedded out like the color, because it was like a dark, it wasn't like black, but it was like a dark brown, but now it's like light brown. Y'all can't really tell right now, but I really want this shit to lay. So I'm either gonna find a bald cap or I'm gonna make myself a bald cap. Okay, so buy a pair of stockings and make myself a damn bald cap. But anyways, I got this 2-piece one. I can't really see it, but yeah, we're doing straight today. I don't know what the weather is outside, but it's going to have to give. But I don't know if it's this glue either. Or maybe it's just glue. But I don't care. Because it pissed me off. But yeah, so that's what we got planned today. I'm actually going to do my hair and then go meditate really quick. My boobies look so big, y'all. If y'all seen my titties like months ago, like last year, my titties were small, but I guess it's because I put on some extra weight. It looks like I got a boob job, but I didn't. It's all natural. But yeah, that is the plan today. So let me finish straightening my hair and laying down this lace, and then we gonna get to the next thing. So hair done. Maybe y'all can see how brown it is now. Oh, my nipple. Can y'all? I'm about to open the door, see what the temperature is like outside. Because sometimes it be saying it's cold, but then when I go out there, it's not that bad. Because I've been going on my little walks and stuff since I've been out here. Let's see. It don't feel bad out today. I would hate to drop. It's really dead today. Hello, Spain. It feels like a good 70. I'm gonna confirm that with y'all in a little bit. But I've been going on my little walks and I've been sweating. I've been sweating up a storm coming home. But y'all, I'm in luck though, because yesterday, I don't know what I was doing. Oh yeah, I was reapplying this wig and I had my AirPods in and I dropped my AirPods in the motherfucking sink. So it didn't work. Sink of water. Okay, so it didn't work yesterday. And I was like, you know what, whatever. Didn't really stress about it. And then I put it in the, its port, the earphones or whatever, the earphone port to charge. And this morning, well, not this morning, but while I was meditating, I just put them in and it was working. But then I didn't realize that they didn't work yesterday. But then I was like, wait, they work. And they wasn't working yesterday because I dropped them in water yesterday. Y'all get what I'm saying? So yeah, they work. But I really want some Beats, or maybe just other AirPods, because those AirPods, like after a while, your AirPods start to not work anyways. I'm about to put some lashes on real quick. But I left my eggs boiling. Just let the air in today. How about that? I left the eggs boiling in this on the stove, and I fucking forgot about it. Totally forgot about it. So I'm about to go get that and make a snack. Okay, y'all. So we gonna do some thickness appreciation. Okay. Body. I just really want to just get rid of like a little bit more back fat here. And I think I'll be good. But yeah. So I made a snack. I left the eggs boiling, but they were good. I made some avocado with some egg whites. I don't like the yellow part. Don't ask me why. I just don't like it. And then I got me some grapes and some kiwi. It don't really look like kiwi, you know why? Because they're golden. They're gold kiwi. But I don't think I really like them because they're kind of mushy. And it kind of smelled like mangoes that have like, not raw mangoes, but mangoes that have been done and ready to eat for a very long time. And I don't like those kind of mangoes. I like hard mangoes. I know that might be hard to understand, but it is what it is. And I got my protein for the day. And then of course, this bomb ass water. This water is so motherfucking good. It's mineral water. I'm sorry. So fucking good, y'all. So yeah, I'm about to eat that. The washer got unplugged yesterday. I really don't know how. So the man had to come and fix it. So it's fixed. But I'm about to eat real quick before we go to our destination. Taking off my retainers so I don't feel the bitch. But yeah, ooh, that was spit. Sorry, y'all. So what's on the agenda today? Avocado. I love avocado. The egg whites, so good. Try eating egg whites without eating the yellow part, I promise. The yellow part is probably like the part that you shouldn't be eating anyway. But who am I? Ooh, that avocado is so good. Oh. What else? What else? Look. Besides going to the mall, that's the only thing that I have on the agenda. I gotta put my lashes on. My lips kind of feel a little dry. So I'm gonna use that Mary Kay lip scrub. And ever since I've been using it, my lips have been lighter. So if y'all haven't been watching my skincare videos, look at my skin. Come on, get on it. Get on it. Get on it. Get on it. I really feel like I need new walking shoes because the running shoes that I have is like the pink ones. And they don't go with my, like all my outfits. And I left my other running shoes at home, of course. And I was walking around with the Jordans and they hurt my feet. So I'm not doing that. No more. I really want another avocado. Stop being greedy. But I really want to do a homemade hair mask with avocado, coconut oil, olive oil, and eggs. Because I heard that shit be, or like a mask too. So I'm going to do like a facial self-care video and show y'all. We're going to do that. And then I'll do like other things with my face. But let me hurry up and finish this so we could get going, because it's already, I don't know what time. It's like 3:10. Yeah. So, that's what I was talking about, y'all. So y'all won't believe my girlfriend tried to give me a geography lesson. She's the smart one. She got her master's degree. And yeah, she's actually really smart because, okay, so I will say I was high as hell when we did that spelling bee, but I was spelling the words, but I was taking like a whole minute to spell it. But she was like, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I was like, girl, you don't gotta be showing out like that.
It's not showing out.
But show out, baby. Go off.
It's not called showing out.
What is it called?
Act like I don't know it.
What is it called then?
It's just knowing it.
Being a teacher's pet.
Never that.
My baby was a teacher pet. That's why she's so smart. Nah, she went to private school growing up, so. But she taught me some stuff. Where was the Vietnam War? Vietnam. She said, what is the capital of Florida? I said, well, they be turning up at every motherfucking year. I said, where FAMU? Where FAMU located? She said, why did they fight the Civil War? The Civil Rights War for. And I put my head, she put her head to mine, and I said, woo! I was Super Saiyan, bitch, because I was going to say the wrong thing. I was going to say for women's rights. Thank God she put her head in mine, girl. Because I would have got that motherfucker wrong. But she's smart. My baby's smart. What am I, babe? If you're smart, then what am I?
Smart.
I'm smart in other ways, but I've never really been good at like geography. Mathematics. Well, mathematics, I've always been good at mathematics and like spelling, like language arts or like English, but science, geography, No. No.
I got
Get somebody else to
grades
do
in
it.
science, but I ain't like it.
Really?
Mhm.
Get somebody else to do it. Okay. Mm-mm. I'm wearing her glasses, y'all.
Man, man.
Whose day is? Whose day is? I look cute. I'm actually supposed to be wearing glasses. I got astigmatism, but
She ain't got no damn
I haven't worn glasses since high school. Babe, yes I do.
Babe, what am I wearing? Like, I don't even have.
Do your dance, do your dance, do your dance, hey. Do your dance, hey. You your daddy's son, hey. Hey. Do your dance, hey. Do your Go to Marcus. Go to Marcus.
Babe, I can't.
If the small car wasn't there, I would ride it. Drive, but it's right there. So I'm not not about to do it. I'm not about to embarrass myself.
It's not even playing.
I don't want to get copywritten. We going to the mall. It's the skin for me. This is our first time going to the mall, but they probably might not have anything anyways. But hopefully I can find a fan.
Yeah, it's starting to get a little bit warmer outside. Finally.
And we are going to be... Babe, we can't cuddle tonight. Was that the reason why you were sweating? But the mall's like 11 minutes away, well 10. So everything is kind of close by here, which I love. But I guess it could kind of get a little boring. Right? You seeing the same stores every single day. Like it could kind of get boring. But
In half a mile, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Puente Felipe 6.
so we made it to the mall, or whatever you want to call it. No shade, no shade. So we gonna see what they got going on in here. Well, at least in Turkey, because Turkey you gotta literally get frisked before you get inside the mall, but they don't have that.
They be making balls out there.
They be making what?
Balls. I'm not trying to get balls. They better check them balls.
So you don't like this? It's giving indifferent. So we found this MK bag. So I want this. So you don't like this?
It's alright,
It's
but
probably a Spain brand. You don't see nothing else you liked? last time. I got a salad, a Caesar salad.
Look.
It's provolone cheese, melted onions. Now, oh, you scanned it?
Yeah. Where'd you get that?
That looks good.
I don't know
what?
what it's that means.
This was here.
Oh. I don't know what it tastes like, but I don't know. You don't have to.
You could try it.
No, it's only 2 pieces of bread. I'm gonna be mad if it's nasty though.
I mean, I've never really tasted. Well, I like provolone cheese like on a turkey sandwich.
I don't even know which one that is. But
That's like the white square one. That like if you ordered like a sandwich from Publix, they would cut it like in in
the
squares.
It's kind of thick.
Yeah, thick. Yeah.
Like you.
Yes, absolutely. you know the assignment. Ooh. Un momento. Gracias. I love these olives. Oh my God. Fuck them olives up. 10 out of motherfucking 10. Them shits was the best olives I've ever tasted in my motherfucking life. Sangria, 10 out of 10. Oh my God. They gonna have to put more champagne in this though, okay? And the Caesar salad, we about to taste. But this, oh my God. That girl's looking at me. All right, so I got the pizza. And I got Bay Head here. Ooh. And y'all, I'm kind of late. She's talking about order the sangria since you're the alcoholic. Am I the drama? Are we loud? Everybody's just...
They're kind of loud.
Yeah, he's definitely the troublemaker. He got like skulls on him. You look like a troublemaker too.
No, I don't. Look at this smile.
What's smile? Let me see. I'm so happy I'm not cooking tonight. Because yesterday, try cooking in lingerie. Okay? You're gonna have that motherfucking order.
Yeah, but I wasn't there, so she could have like covered herself until like.
But I didn't know when you were coming, babe. So I was like, if anything, she'll see me cooking in my lingerie versus no lingerie on. So that's why I changed it in lingerie, changed it to lingerie.
There's a seed in my drink.
Is that the 8th seed? I mean, why wouldn't there be a seed in your drink? There's a lemon. But babe, why wouldn't there be a seed in your drink? There's a lemon right there.
I mean, why did they take the seed out?
They're not supposed to take the seed out.
I'm ready to go home.
She wants this massage. She wants this lemon.
I want what?
The lemon.
I'm just ready to go home. My feet hurt.
Wrong fucking answer. We're gonna cut this shit right here.
No.
This is our second sangria jar of sangria. She ordered it. You wanted
I
more.
thought you wanted more.
I did. But now I realize that I'm lit.
After I ordered it.
You know, like when you like go out for brunch and you're ordering all these mimosas and you don't notice how lit you are until
That's you.
it hits you. Bruh, I remember when we used to go to Shots, when Shots was lit years ago.
She used to try to make everybody drink like 10 mimosas.
And did.
She's like, mimosa, another one, another one.
Bro,
Like,
we was
God
like,
damn.
I was like in competition. I was like, y'all ready for the next one? Every like 5 minutes, I'd be like, yo, hurry up, drink it, next mimosa.
'Cause they
Because
were
there was
unlimited.
$20 mimosas unlimited until 6. So if we got there at like 3, we had 3 hours to drink. But I wanted to see
No,
who could
she was
drink
trying
more.
to get you to drink.
Girl, I was
4.
drinking too. I was probably the most lit out of them.
Like, she was OD
Babe, you was lit too.
because we drank every 5 minutes. She's like, oh, another one. Oh, you're not done? Hurry up and drink it. Oh, she's done. Another one. Oh my God. damn.
Bro, I used to bring everybody to shots, bro.
But I'm
He was
drinking
like,
this
that's
fast.
when the people was like, bro,
Look,
you
like
should be a
this.
promoter.
This how we used to do.
Bro, we used to chug
Alright,
that
another one,
shit.
another
Yup,
one.
we,
Like, what?
the bartenders hated us, I bet.
She was out of control. And
I
then,
was,
And
I
then
was.
you would be mad when you be drunk, like really drunk. It's like, bro, you made me this way. Do they even still do it?
I don't think at shots.
I was gonna say if they do it, I'll go. I just haven't been ever since that incident.
I don't think at shots, but what incident?
So they don't have it anymore, or you just don't go? Like, why did you stop going?
I think it just don't be popping anymore.
But do they have it?
But remember, were
It's
you the
just
one that
$20.
were you the one that we went last time? Remember, and the girl said that it was no mimosas. Yeah. So we need a good brunch when we get back.
We gotta try another state. Nah, I'm sure they ain't lit like that.
Atlanta's brunch was kind of good. It was kind of nice. The one when we went, we were in the patio.
Yeah. Oh, accident
When
though.
we see David.
But that was an accident. We
Yeah.
didn't even know where we were
That
going.
shit. Yeah, we did. I planned it, baby.
Oh, you
Remember?
knew it was a brunch
But we
spot?
didn't know it was gonna be that lit.
But we knew it was a brunch spot?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought we just
Yeah.
pulled up and went
Yeah.
in. Okay.
Bruh, it was so lit. And it started raining and they took the party inside.
Yeah, but by that time we should have just left.
Nah, I was shaking that ass.
Inside?
Remember?
Yeah, I just thought I was ready to go.
Hell no, we wasn't ready to go.
Yeah, they was wild.
But don't do no mimosas in Atlanta for real because they be, in California because they be,
It's like they put like tequila in it, but it's like I didn't want that.
they be spiky.
You get what I'm saying? It's like I didn't want that right now.
right now.
Yeah, I want to drink
Maybe,
tequila
but
later,
not right now.
not at 12 o'clock. I'm not
But I
trying to
blacked
drink.
out. After I smoked that huge ass blunt with Janine, that blunt was like this
That's why
big.
y'all was so lit.
Bro,
First of all, they chugged their mimosas
yeah.
and then they smoked. I didn't know y'all smoked. That's why y'all was
No,
so
her
lit.
blunt was this thick.
So y'all should have either smoked or drink. You can't hang like that.
I see. Well, I did hang because I hung better than you and Ray by the end of the night.
Well, for one, I had like 10 Hennessy shots. We was so lit.
Bruh, she was in the back of the car, passed out. Ray was frustrated. I don't know what Ray was on. She was drunk.
But you know what's so crazy?
I think you made her mad when you hit her.
I don't even remember that. Like, what?
Bruh, I was so lit. I blacked out probably the first portion of the day, but I was the one driving us home.
No, she was lit at like,
I was so lit.
before we even She was lit before we even went to the main spot.
Yeah.
I was like, bro, we haven't even made it there yet. How are you so lit right now? I didn't know they was that lit. Cause her
And
and
then
Ray
we
was
ended
lit.
up at a gay bar.
They was twerking outside the car. I'm like, we didn't even pick up my cousin yet, and they was already.
Ray was showing ass. I don't even remember when you picked up your cousin. That's how knocked out I was.
You just knew that he was at the bar.
I remember glimpse shots of him being at the bar. I just don't know how we got to the bar. I don't remember walking to the bar, is what I'm saying.
Remember when we parked, you walked across the street
I don't
to go to the
remember that.
bathroom.
Nope. Don't even remember that.
Oh my god.
That night was so fun.
That's so crazy.
I'm gonna insert a video of you knocked out that night.
I mean, at least I made it through the whole day.
Yo, you did.
Yes, I did. I didn't get lit until I got in the car.
Yo, it's been raining all day, and I needed to go get some groceries, but I guess not. And it's fucking cold. And people still walking. So that's a dub, because I'm not about to go walk in the rain, because it's already cold as fuck out there. And I gotta get ready for Lex's game, which is at 8:30, but we have to leave here at 7. But we ran out of water. But it's so cold out here. And I gotta see what I could cook today. I don't know, y'all. I guess I'm gonna just go figure out what I'm gonna wear for this game. We about to go to Taco Bell before we go. I just did something simple and light, all black. The Coach bag and some sneakers for today. And then I'll just put on a jacket. But yeah, A and L for Alexis and Luke. You cute. You cute. Babe, come on. So, about to take a shot. About to take a motherfucking shot. About to take a
the whole beginning like that though? Let's go.
You is not supposed to be taking a shot. I like that. I like me a rebel. I like that. Hip hip cheerio. Wait. I'm gonna take two. She could take one, I'll take two. Alright. Ricky, Bobby. Toes. Ah. Two shots to do it. I really should have me a to-go cup. But we about to slide to Taco Bell real quick. I want a quesadilla, extra fire sauce. If you know, you know. Yeah. Toast lovers. And if y'all wondering why we're drinking this, it's because they don't sell any here. They don't sell lemon here. They don't sell Douce here. They don't sell Patron here. They don't sell De Leon here. Yeah. Y'all, they be selling beer at the Taco Bells. So I'm be kind of lit courtside, right, babe? Lit courtside, that's for sure. Y'all, it's 4:20 and I had to make a motherfucking chicken salad. Okay, a motherfucking chicken salad. I'm so lit. So this is what we're doing today. Just sleeping and watching Swarm.
Is both yours?
Yeah. You want some salad? I don't know about y'all, but this is a perfect way to spend Saturday night with your girl, laid up in bed, binge watching movies all day. Yeah. Good morning, Liddy gang. So it is Sunday. I'm gonna close out this vlog so I could go ahead and start editing it for you guys so I could have it either uploaded by tonight or by tomorrow. And then we gonna start it up again. So this week was actually super fun, adventurous. And, you know, I felt like I got a lot done. But I'll tune in with you guys on the next weekly vlog here in Spain. So I'll see you guys until next time. Toodles!